In today's video, we're going to be diving into a hot topic that's sure to spark some debate, and that is 50-50 custody. Is it really the best interest of the child? Let's get into it. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, and I've been practicing in the great state of Texas for over 20 years, exclusively in the area of family law. The age-old question. Some say it's the fairest way to split parenting time, while others think it's a logistical nightmare. But the real question is, does it truly benefit the kids? And just maybe, is there a bigger issue we're not addressing? Let's find out. First, let's break down the family code, starting with the pre-September 1st, 2021 Standard Possession Order. For parents living 100 miles of each other, possession schedules typically include weekends and Thursdays during the school term. And for those living more than 100 miles apart, there are different guidelines to make sure time is fairly split. Holidays have their own rules too. The idea is to balance parenting time while ensuring the child's stability during the school year. Fast forward to post-September 1st, 2021. The new law brings in specific provisions for Monday and Thursday possession times and fine-tuned schedules based on how far apart the parents live. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite these detailed guidelines, the big debate remains standard versus expanded versus 50-50 schedule. The real concern, how much time parents get with their kids during the school year. Courts usually favor stability, but now the 50-50 buzz, it's also about perception and fairness. A 50-50 custody schedule can take lots of forms. The most popular are week on, week off, and the 2-2-5-5 schedule. Week on, week off. Parents swap kids weekly, and it sounds simple, right? But a week can feel like forever for young kids who are missing the other parent. 2-2-5-5, this one's a bit more dynamic. Parents get Monday and Tuesday, parent B takes Wednesday and Thursday, and then they alternate weekends. It's a good mix, but it can be a logistical nightmare. Across the U.S., 50-50 schedulings are gaining popularity. Some states even start custody arrangements assuming equal time. But here in Texas, we're still figuring out the balance between traditional and progressive. Now let's dive into what really matters. What's more important when it comes to custody schedules? Here are some questions to think about. Where should the kids sleep at night? How many hours does each parent actually spend with the kids? Should weekends and weekdays be split equally? And how about geographical closeness? What about the children's options and the back and forth between the houses? These aren't just academic, they're at the very heart of real-life custody battles. Judges face a tough time balancing equal parenting time with the best interests of the child. They look at parental involvement, history of family violence, communication skills, distance between the homes, work schedules, the child's age, and more. Interestingly, rural judges are less likely to order 50-50 unless parents agree, while urban judges might enforce it over objections. And then there's the elephant in the room, child support. How do we handle that in a 50-50 arrangement? Well, there's a lot of approaches to that, so we're going to have to save that for a separate video. But make no mistake, the bottom line when discussing custody is let's focus on what's the best interest of the children, not just what the parents want. Well, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on family law. Have thoughts on 50-50 custody? Drop them in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Until then, I'm Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, where we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.